Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different in React.js. Okay? Yes guys, today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn something new, something different in React.js. Okay? And guys, today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and state-of-the-art lightbox effect in React.js. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and state-of-the-art lightbox effect in React.js. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example first and let me just explain you all the feature, all the functionality of the example. Let me just show you the example as well. Okay, so let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have built using purely React.js and Vite as well. Okay, so guys, we all know that create React app is now deprecated, is now obsolete. Okay, so we don't have to continue using CRA to create React app. Okay, instead we have to now use Vite, or some people also call it Vite. Okay, so guys, in this video, in this session also, I have used Vite or Vite to install our React. Okay, to create our React app using the build tool Vite. Okay, so we are gonna use React with Vite. Okay, so guys, this is the video, and in this video we are gonna learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and state-of-the-art lightbox effect in React.js. Okay, so here we can see the logo of Vite or Vite. Okay, and this is the logo of React. Okay, and here we can see one heading also, next gen React lightbox animated and responsive with stunning UI and animations. Okay, yes guys, you read it right, that today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and state-of-the-art lightbox effect using React.js. Okay, and guys, I'm very sorry for my previous videos. I have not created videos with voiceover. Okay, so my previous videos was only silent video, and or I have used the music. Okay, but in this video I'm gonna use the voiceover. Okay, so I'm very sorry for my previous videos, that you will be definitely guys having some problem, having some issues with my previous videos, because I won't be able to explain you what is I'm doing, what is I'm writing, what is happening. Okay, so I'm very sorry for this, but from now onwards I'm gonna use the voiceover in my every video. Okay, I'm very sorry for my previous videos. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's continue with the this session. Okay, so as you have read already, this heading, next gen React lightbox animated and responsive with a stunning UI and animation. Okay, and below we can see some of the images, some of the pics as well. Okay, and whenever you will click on any of the images, on any of the pic, okay, you are gonna see the an animated and dynamic lightbox effect. Okay, so let me just click the very first image. Okay, so click here on this image. So we can see here, this is the first image and this is the image on which you have clicked. Okay, and this is the control. As of now only right control is enabled, because this is the very first video. Okay, so we don't have to enable the left control as well. Okay, so for the very first video we will only enable the right control. Okay, So this is the right control, and this is the close icon. You can close this light box, okay, by clicking this cross icon, and by clicking on anywhere on this gray area, okay, by clicking on anywhere on this gray area, okay. So we can dismiss this light box, okay, by clicking anywhere on this area, and by clicking this icon as well, okay. But whenever you will click on these images, you are not going to close the light box, okay. So this is the feature, this is the functionality of the light box, okay. So we can guys use the right key or the left key to control the slider, okay, to control the light box, okay. So I am gonna hit the right button or the right arrow key, okay. So I'm gonna press it now. So this is the image 2, and now we can see here, the moment we have more than one, okay, images in the array, we will have the left control enabled as well, okay. So that's why we can see here now the left control is also enabled, okay. So now let me just go back. I mean, I'm gonna press the left arrow key, okay. So press it now. We can see here again the left control is now disabled, because this is the very first image of the array of the yeah, we can say array only, okay. And that's why we can see here we can go the we can go in right direction, okay, because this is the I mean we have got our index more than 0 or more than 1, so that's why our right control is enabled, okay. So I'm gonna press the right keyword now, or the key, okay. This is the image 2, image 3, image 4, image 5, image 6, image 7, image 8, image 9, image 10, image 11, okay. And the moment we have reached the okay, length of the array, or we can see the moment we have reached the last element in the array, we can again see here the right control is now disabled, because we have reached the last element of the array, okay. So that's why we can't go further right, okay. So that's why right control is now disabled, and now we can see the left control is now enabled, because we can go to the zero element of the array by clicking this left icon, or by pressing the button left arrow key, okay. Because this is the last element of the array, and we can move further, okay, up to the first element of the array, okay. So I am gonna press the left arrow key now. See, again this button is now enabled, because this is the second last element of the array. So both the button are now enabled, okay. This is the left key, and this is the right key, okay. So again it is disabled, again this is enabled, okay. So this is the ninth image, 8th image, 7th image, 6th image, 5th image, 4th image, 3rd image, second image, and the very first image, okay. So ideally the index is 0, because I have appended 1, okay, because we all know that index, I mean the array is the index array is the 0 based, okay. So our first element will be having index 0, second element will be having index 1, third element will be having index 2, and so on and so forth, okay. So this is the feature, this is the functionality. We can close this light box by clicking anywhere on the gray area, but we won't be able to close the light box whenever we will click on this image, okay, anywhere on this image, okay. And we can dismiss this light box by clicking this cross icon as well, okay. So close this, click anywhere here, close this, okay. So we can see it is very dynamic and fully functional, and I'm sure guys, after watching this video, after having this session, you will definitely try to create this kind of lightbox effect using React.js, okay. So we can click left arrow key, right arrow key to control our lightbox slider. Okay, you can see here this is very dynamic and very state of the art, and you will definitely try to use this. You will definitely try to integrate this in your React app, in your React website. Okay, so this is the feature, this is the functionality, and it is fully responsive at the same time. Okay, so let me just show you the responsiveness as well. You can see here we can see only three images. Okay, so just try to minimize this. We can see here only one images. You can definitely control the layout, because the layout have been designed, have been built using the very known, okay, CSS framework, that is Bootstrap 5. Okay, I hope you know what is Bootstrap and how we can use Bootstrap in our React app, in our React application, to create mobile first and very responsive website, very responsive app. Okay, using the React along with the Bootstrap. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn that how we can create this kind of dynamic and state of the art, okay, lightbox effect in React.js. Okay, so guys, now let's get started. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all guys, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also, and please guys do like all my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and full stack development as well. Okay, and please guys, please, I know the audio will be very low of this video, then please guys, I would like to request you, I would like to recommend you also that please guys do use the headphone, please do use the headphone to listen to the audio, to listen to the video, I mean voice of this video. Okay, please do use the headphone. Okay, because this video is very crucial, this video is very dynamic. Okay, and in this video we are gonna learn that how we can create this kind of dynamic and awesome state of the art lightbox effect, okay, using React only. Okay guys, this is very custom, this is very dynamic as well. I have not used any React, okay, library to create this lightbox. Okay, it is fully built, it is fully developed using the core concept of React only. Okay, so let's get started and let's learn and let's build this stunning and animated lightbox effect in React.js and using the Bootstrap as well. Okay guys, I have explained you how to install, okay, white with React. Okay, I'm not gonna like show you one more time, rather I'm gonna use the previous, okay, installation to create this lightbox in this video, in this session. Okay, if you want I can show you how to install the Vite along with the React in your machine, in your system. Okay, so just come here. Okay, so guys, this is the process, okay, to set up your project. Okay, so this is the first step. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, npm create React, okay, white at the rate latest. Okay, this is the app name. Okay, and this is the template we are going to use here, the React. Okay, then navigate to your project directory and then type cd app name, install dependencies. If you want to install any dependencies, install npm, okay, to install the Vite along with the React. Okay, start the development server. Okay, run, okay, npm run dev to start your dev server. Okay, if we want we can install the Bootstrap also. If we want we can install the React icon as well. Okay, if you want to, okay, use the ant design along with React, you can use the npm install antd, okay, which means ant design. Okay, so this is the process, this is the steps you have to follow to install the Vite and React on your machine. I'm very sorry, on your machine, on your system. Okay, so this is it. Okay, let's get started and let's learn and let's create, okay, this lightbox effect in React only. Okay, but before, please guys, please, okay, guys, you can see here. Okay, let me just show you, okay, what is my motto, what is my aim of every video, of every session. Okay guys, you can see here, you can just guys go through this. Okay, I wanted to, you know, like give something. I'm very sorry. Okay, I wanted to give something to my, okay, society, to my country, okay, to my country people. Okay, whatever I have learned, whatever knowledge I have, okay, whatever knowledge I possess, okay, I wanted to share it with you guys, okay, so that it will definitely help you guys in, okay, creating your like career in, okay, advancing your career as well. Okay, let me just read it for you, okay, if you don't want to read it. Okay, so hey everyone, I know I'm not here to create low grade, vulgar or obscene content just to get subscribers. If that were the case, okay, I'm sure some of you would have subscribed by now, but that's not the goal of this video. Okay, my aim is to give back something meaningful and valuable to society through education and knowledge. Okay, so if you believe in the power of learning and want to be part of this journey, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button for my YouTube channel, Code with ER. I'm here to teach you and empower you with skills that will last a lifetime. Okay, okay. Remember, there are countless channels out there offering cheap, dirty, and harmful content to entertain you. But here, it's all about growth, learning, and becoming better versions of ourselves. Okay, so if you have learned something today or found this session helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel now. Your support means the world to me. Okay, at the end of the day, it's all in your hands. Okay, take care and please see you in the next session. We have got some amazing stuff lined up for you. Er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, that's me. So I hope guys you will subscribe now, and you will press the bell icon also, and you will support me and my channel, this code with ER. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn. So let me just go to the VS Code editor. Let me just create here one new file, and I'm gonna give the file name as a Lightbox, okay, component dot jsx, okay, which means javascript and xml. Okay, so this is the component folder. We have to save each and every component inside this folder, components. Okay, so hit enter, it is already there. So I'll just say here one. Okay, so let me just first import, okay, react from react only. Let me just import some of the hooks also. I'll use here use state also, and I'll use here use effect as well. Okay, so this is it. Let me just import the css as well. Okay, I'm gonna use here the custom css as well. Okay, so I'll just give the name of this css file as a lightbox css, say here file dot css. Okay, so let me just copy this and let me just create this file very quickly. Okay, so hit enter. So this is it. We will write our css in this file. Okay, so now this is it. So I'll say here const, I'll just say here uh, I can say here any component name, lightbox, okay, effect. Okay, you can give anything. I don't remember anything, okay, as of now. So open and closing curly braces. Okay, we have to return all the things we all know. Okay, so this is it. So create a div very quickly. We can use here the JSX fragments also. So this is known as the JSX fragments, but I would like to use here div. Okay, so I'll just give the class name as a container only. I'll just give here margin top 4, margin bottom also 4. Okay, so very quickly close this div. This is it. So we have to export it also. I'll say here export default, and this is the component name. Okay, so just paste it here, close it. Okay, so let me guys first of all let me just create here some array. Okay, so I'm gonna create here one array, and in that array we will be storing the image name. Okay, we will be storing the image name. Okay, so I am gonna create here one array of images. Okay, so images, we are gonna store here the images name. Okay, so let me just write the comment here. Although I've explained you, let me guys, okay, skip the comment. Okay, it is gonna take a lot of time also. So guys, let me just copy the this array, okay, from my previous example, just to save a little bit of time. Okay, like I explained you what we are gonna do here. We are gonna create here one array called images, okay, and we will be storing here images name. Okay, this is it. Keep it very simple and very okay. So this is the array, so copy it from here and just to replace with this. Okay, so guys, you can see here this is the image name. Okay, and I showed you the folder also. Let me just show you one more time. So go to this Lightbox folder. Okay, open this Lightbox folder, go to the public. Okay, go to the assets and go to the images, and guys, this is the images we are gonna use. Okay, so this is the image name I showed you also. So you can see here this is the image name. Okay, so this is it. So here is the image inside the folder images, inside the assets, inside the folder public. Okay, so guys, always try to keep your images inside the public folder. It will be very easy to access it in your React app. Okay, so this is it. Close it now. So we have to make this video little quickly. Okay, so I am gonna make this video little fast. Okay, so go little up. I'll just give here another class. I'll say here gallery gallery container. Okay, gallery container, this is it. So inside this div, I'm gonna create here another div. I'm very sorry. So another div. Okay, I'll give the class name also as a image grid, image grid, and I'll just give the class name as a row. This is the bootstrap classes. Okay, so I'll say here justify content center, close this div. Okay, so now let me just create here our open and closing curly braces. So we will use these images. Okay, array name. Okay, and we will use here map method like this. I'll give here first like element as a img. I'll pass the index as well. Okay, and like this arrow function I'm gonna use here. So open this, and now we are gonna create here one div inside this. I'll give the class name as a call lg. I'll give here 4. Okay, I'll give here margin top 4, margin bottom also I'll give here 4. Okay, and just close this div. This is it. And inside this div I'm gonna create here another div. I'll give the class name as a img container. I'll give the class as a overflow overflow hidden as well. Okay, and I'll just give the another class as a height. Okay, to make images of equal width and height. Okay, so this is it. Now I'm gonna create here img element here. So like this, I'll say here img. Okay, I'll just assign the src also like this. Okay, so for this we have to make the src very dynamic. Okay, so I showed you where is the image folder. Okay, inside the assets. Okay, inside the assets, images. Okay, images, and we have to show the image name like this. Okay, dollar, and just this img. So just paste it here. I'm sorry. Okay, and now I'm gonna give here the alt tag also, which will be very dynamic. I'll just say here make it dynamic. I'll say here er prabhat pandit. Okay, and just this dollar open and closing curly braces, and I'll pass here this img name only. Okay, this is it. And now I'll give the class name also. I'll say here thumbnail. Okay, only the class name. This is it. Okay, so as of now, let it be. Just save the file, and we have to call this component in our parent component. Okay, so let me just to remove this the example, the demo from here, and let me just to remove this also. And now we will just import our newly created component, which is lightbox effect. Okay, so I'll say here lightbox effect like this. Okay, and just copy this from here, and to just close this, save the file, and first have a look in the browser how it is gonna. Okay, so we can see here, we can see. Okay, okay, so now this is the new one. Okay, so we can see here it is looking a little ugly now, so we have to write our custom css. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna write our custom css as well. Okay, so I am gonna do that very quickly. So here is the css file. Okay, and in this file we have to write our css. Okay, so I am gonna do that now. So just come here and copy this class. Okay, gallery container from here, and just put point, paste it. I'll just say here text align, not emphasis, I'll say here text align center, and this is it. I'll just copy this another class thumbnail. This is the image class. Okay, so we are gonna now target our image, okay, in this css. Okay, so put point and just paste it. I'll just say here cursor, I'll give you a pointer. I'll just say here uh, I'll just say here transition transform. Okay, transform 0.4 seconds. I'll just say here is in out. Okay, so let me just say here border radius I'll give also of 14 px. I'll just give here the width also of 400 px. I'll give the height also of 280 px. I'll just give here the object feed also as a cover. I'll just give here just copy this transition from here and just paste it here. This is it. Save the file first and have a look in the browser. You can see here now it's look better. Okay, but as of now nothing is going to happen whenever you will click on any of the image. Okay, so let me just now target, okay, this height class, okay, of this div, okay, which includes our image. Okay, so copy this height class from here and just put point, paste it here, and now I am gonna say here height of 280 px. Okay, I'll give the border radius also of only exactly 40 px. Okay, so exactly 40 px of this image, okay, of this thumbnail. Okay, height and border radius. Okay, and I'll just give here I'll just give here transition all 0.4 seconds is in out. Okay, is out will also do the work. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser. So now this is it, but as of now we can't, okay, scale in scale out whenever we will hover over any of the image. Okay, so now we are gonna put that, okay, effect also. So we are gonna integrate that effect now. Okay, so it will like scale in scale out, okay, in the div only whenever you will hover over any of the image. Okay, so we are gonna do that now. So let me just copy this thumbnail only, this thumbnail class. So copy it from here and just close this, give colon, give hover. Okay, so now we will just say here transform scale. Okay, I'll just say here scale 1 point. Okay, give here 2. It's up to us only, and just copy this transition for the animation effect. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser first. Now we can see here image can be scaled and scaled down whenever you will hover over any of the image. Okay, so this looks cool and dynamic and okay, and great as well. Okay, so this is it. So now just come down, let me just okay, so just come to the component now. So we have to now create our lightbox effect. Okay, so we are gonna write the code for that. Okay, so guys, let me just show you one more thing. Guys, suppose we have to access the images, okay, from this, okay, array, okay, from this images array, and we all know how we are gonna access the images from this array. Okay, so as of now let me just show you the image name. Okay, so I'll just say here images. Okay, and I am gonna access, okay, this kb photos. Okay, so count the number. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so we have to put here 7. Okay, like this. Save the file and have a look only the image name. Okay, you can see here the only image name is shown. Let me just enlarge it. Okay, I want to explain you each and every minute details. Okay, so or we can say here each and every fucking minute details. Okay, I'm very sorry for my language. Okay, pardon my language. We can see here this is the image name. Okay, and if we want we can show the entire image as well. Okay, so for this we have to cut this out. Okay, and I'm just doing this. Okay, for the sake of you only. Okay, to explain you something. Okay, so we have to create here img element like this. Okay, and I showed you already above. Okay, how to access the image. Okay, but I want to explain you something. Okay, extraordinary. I'll say here src equal to, we have to say like this, backtick. I'll just say here because images inside the assets, inside the images. Okay, and we have to say like, okay, dollar like this. Okay, so we will see the image now as well. We can see here this is the image. Okay, this is the image. Okay, so guys, in this way we can dynamically, okay guys, in this way we can dynamically access our image. Okay guys, always remember, in this way we can dynamically access our image. So let me just comment this out. As of now we will need this to explain you. Okay, so now we are gonna let me just comment this entire things. Okay, so now inside this now we are gonna create our lightbox effect. Okay, so I am gonna do it now. So lightbox effect. Okay, code starts from here. Okay, I don't want to write the comment because it is gonna take the time also. That's why I have to explain you all the things. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so as of now let me just create here a couple of state variables also. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna create here couple of state variable also. So I am gonna create here, I will just say here const. I'm gonna create here a couple of state variables. I'll say here selected, okay, image. Okay, like I'll say here set selected image. Okay, so guys, we all know what I'm gonna do here, use a state. Okay, and as of now just give here null. Okay, so this is the initial value. Okay, so guys, this is the known as the state variable, and this is known as the state updater function, or we can say here the setter function as well. Okay, this is the state variable and this is also known as the setter function, or we can say the state updater function as well. Okay, so I am gonna create here one more state variable here. I will just say here current index. I'll just say here set current index. Okay, and use state, and as of now just give the null as a default value. Okay, so guys, this is it. So in this way we have created here a couple of state variables also. Okay, so now on this okay, on this image. Okay, we can see here we have to click on the image only. Okay, then only we have to show our lightbox. Okay, this is the very, okay, basic requirement, okay, of the lightbox. Okay, we have to click on the image, then only we have to show the lightbox. So this is the requirement and this is the algo only. Okay, so I am gonna define here one method on this image of on click. Okay, so on click like this. Okay, we are gonna define here one method. Okay, so I am gonna do that now. Okay, so I'll just say here on click. Okay, so now this is the anonymous finder function. I'll say here open. Okay, open light box. Okay, image. Okay, this is it, and I'll pass the entire image like array here. Okay, like this, and I'll pass the index as well. So copy it from here and just paste it here. This is it. So now we are gonna define this method. Okay, so copy this from here, and below this I am gonna create here one const like this, paste it here, give equal to, and just to fed our function like this, close this, and now we are gonna define this method, open Lightbox. Okay, so I am gonna do that now. Okay, so we will just say here, copy this, okay, setter function, set, okay, selected image, okay, and just paste it here. And now we will just give this image value, okay, and by using this, okay, set selected image state function, setter function, we are gonna update, okay, this selected state variable. This is it. Okay, and now copy this set current index state updater function or the setter function, and now we are gonna update, okay, this current index by this index. Okay, by this index, every time user will click on any of the image. Okay, every time user will click on any of the image. Okay, let me just console it, log for you only. It will give you the confidence, okay, as well me also. Okay, so I am gonna copy this image and just paste it here. And let me just copy it one more time. I'll just update this index also. So just save the file and have a look in the browser and go to the developer tools. Okay, and just okay, we have to give here the, you can see here we got the error. Okay, it is saying, okay, each child in a list should have a unique key prop. Okay, so here we have to give here the key prop as well. I'll give the index only. So now the error is gone. Refresh the file. So it's gone now. Okay, so come to the console only, hit this image. You can see here we got the message. Okay, you can see here image 1 index is 0. You can see here image this and index is 1. Click this. You can see here image name is this and index is 2. Click this. Okay, this is the image and index is 3. Click this. This is the image and index 4. Okay, so this is the dynamic. Okay, I hope I'm not gonna explain you every, okay, thing. Okay, although I have explained you each and everything. Okay, okay, so this is the guys, this is the, like, we can say the, like, deal. Okay, so this is it. Come to the code now and just remove this console. This is it. Okay, so we will need this, okay, selected image to create our Lightbox effect. Okay, so copy this state variable selected image. Now we are gonna create the Lightbox effect. Okay, we will need this. Okay, so now just copy this from here, and below this, just inside this, okay, open and closing curly braces, I am gonna define here the one. Okay, we are gonna define here the React, okay, conditional rendering. Okay, so if this is defined, okay, if this selected image is defined, okay, then only we will show the Lightbox. This is it. Okay, so this will be defined, this will be set. Okay, every time user will click on any of the image. Okay, every time user will click on any of the image. Okay, every time user will click on any of the image. Okay, this selected image will be defined. Okay, and we will be able to see the Lightbox effect. What is the issue? What is the, okay, like problem? Okay, nothing, there is no any problem. Okay, so now we are gonna say like this, define here one div. I'm gonna define here. Okay, I'll just give the class name also as a Lightbox only, Lightbox. Okay, and I'll just give the class also show. Okay, one class I'll just show. So we will okay, we will change this class show. Okay, whenever user will click on any of the image. Okay, so as of now let it be here only. Okay, and just close this div. Okay, and inside this div I'm gonna define the button also to close the Lightbox. Okay, so I am gonna define the button, okay, to close the Lightbox. Okay, so this is it. Open this, and let me just give here class name also. I'll say here close btn. Okay, so this is it. Okay, and on click of this button also we are going to define here one method also. I'll say here on click. Okay, on click we will say here I'll just say here. Okay, so we'll just say here we are going to define our state here. We are going to update our state here. So which state? Of course this selected image. Okay, so we are gonna like unset it again. So we will again set it to null. Okay, this is it. Okay, and on click of this lightbox div, this entire lightbox or the gray area, we have to define here one method also. So on click of this gray area also, okay, I will explain you. I'll just define here handle close. Okay, handle close. Okay, this is it. So let me just copy the icon from the here only. Let me just copy the icon. So copy this icon, this close icon from here, and just paste it here. Okay, this is it. Okay, and now inside this, okay, below this I'm gonna create here our lightbox, okay, image. Okay, so now we are gonna do that. So below this div I am gonna create here img element. Okay, img. So dynamically we are going to define the image now. Okay, and I explained you how. Okay, so we will be having error, don't worry. The moment we will start coding, it will be gone. Okay, so define here image, okay, path dynamically based on image clicked. Okay, this is it. I hope it is meaningful to you. Okay, and it will help you to understand. Okay, I'll just say here src equal to like this backtick. I'm going to define here the assets because images inside the assets folder, inside the images like this, inside the images, and we will just say here dollar open and closing curly braces, and now we can see here every image is now inside this. Okay, you can see here every image is now inside this selected image because here we are using this, okay, state updater function set selected image to update this selected image. Okay, I hope it is very clear, very straightforward. Okay, and very simple as well. Okay, so copy this selected image from here and just to paste it here. This is it. Okay, I am gonna define here the alt attribute as well dynamically. So dynamically we will just give this image name only. This is it. Okay, and now I'll just define the class name also. I'll say here lightbox, okay, img lightbox img, and I'll just define here another class also, fade in. Okay, we will define these classes later on in our css file. Okay, so okay, so cut it, and we have to put it inside this div. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so as of now this is it. So this is the button and this is the entire div. Okay, so we will make this div look like lightbox. Okay, so we are going to define the css. Okay, now so come to the css file very quickly. We are going to define the css very quickly now. Okay, so now we are going to define the lightbox effect. Okay, so now we are going to define it. So copy this css class lightbox from here and just put point, paste it here, and now we will just say here position. We will give you a fixed. Okay, I'll just give you a top. Okay, 0. I'll just give you left also 0. I'll just give you width of 100%. Okay, I'll just give you the height also of 100%. I'll just give you the background color of RGBA value. Okay, like this. Okay, RGBA value give you 6. Okay, and now we will just give you the display as a flex only. I'll just give you the justify content. I'll give you a center. I'll just say here align item also. I'll give you a center. I'll just give you the padding also of 20 px. Okay, I'll just give here the I'll just say here animation. I'll just put here animation also. So I'll just say here animation. I'll just give the animation name as a fade in. Okay, of 0.4 seconds. I'll just say here is in out. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now we are going to define this class also, this show class. Okay, show lightbox class. Okay, we will just change this class dynamically. Okay, this show class, we will change it dynamically whenever user will click on any of the images. Okay, this is it. Okay, so come to the now here, so copy this Lightbox and go a little up, paste it here, close this and say here show. Okay, so we will just say here display. I'll just give you the flex. Okay, this is it. Okay, so copy this. Okay, image. Okay, Lightbox image class from here, and we will just define our css here like this. Okay, so I'll just give you a max width of 90%. You can define it anything. Okay, I'll just give you the max height also of 90%. Okay, 90%, this is it. I'll just give you a border radius also of 15 px. Okay, I'll just say here box shadow also I'll give you of 2 px, of 3 px, of 30 px RGBA value. Okay, like this is it. And I'll just give you the transition also of I'll just give you a transition transform, and I'll just give you a 0.4 seconds. Okay, and I'll give you a ease in out. Okay, this is it. Let me just define the this close button class also. So copy it and just put point, paste it here, go a little up, and now we will just say here position. I'll just give you absolute to put it anywhere we want. Okay, so I'll just give here top. Okay, of 20 px. I will just 20 px. I will just give here right. Okay, not inherit. I will just give here of 30 px. I will just say here background color. I will say here transparent. Okay, background color transparent. I will just say here font size also I'll give you a 35 px, and I will just give you a cursor as a pointer only. Okay, and I will just say here border also none. Okay, I will give you outline also none. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser how it looks like and how it is going. Okay, so let me just explain you one thing. Okay, so let me just as of now, let me just remove this on class. Okay, on click handle close class. Okay, it will create the issue. Okay, as of now, let me just remove it. Okay, so everything is fine now. We have defined here open lightbox image method here, and now I hope that this will work. Okay, so later on we will do the remaining stuffs. Okay, so as of now, just save the file, have a look in the browser, and now try to click anywhere on the image. We can see here, boom guys, we can see it's working. Close this, it's gone. But anywhere you will close, anywhere you will click anywhere on this gray area, it is not gonna close the lightbox. Okay, except only this icon. Okay, so hit it, it's boom guys, it's working. But we have to put here animation also. As of now this is like okay instant. Okay, but we don't want instant, we want some sort of animation also. Okay, so we will put the animation also, don't worry. We have a lot of things also remaining for this session. Okay, so but now as of now we are on a right track, we are on a right path. Okay, to achieve our today's session, that how we are gonna create this stunning and animated lightbox effect in React.js. Okay, using the React only. Okay, core concept of React. Okay, so you can see here this is working. Okay, but we have to put now animation. Okay, and we have to make it okay more and more dynamic. Okay, we have to integrate here left and right arrow as well. Okay, so we are gonna do that now. So come to the code now very quickly. We are gonna define other stuff as well. Okay, we have to show here left and right arrow as well. Okay, so we are gonna do that now. Okay, so I am gonna define here the left and right arrow now. Okay, so now below this I am gonna define here one left and right arrow. So let me just uncomment this. Okay, this method on click. Okay, handle close. Okay, so here I am gonna define the left. Okay, control or the arrow. So we will just say here left arrow. Okay, this is it. So now we will just use here the open and closing curly braces, and now we will just use this current index. Okay, so guys, this is the okay magic of index only. Okay guys, this all okay guys, okay, this all effect, okay, this all session is based on the index only. Okay, I showed you, I explained you that how we can access the images, okay, dynamically using the index only. Okay, I showed you, I've explained you that how we can access any image dynamically using its index in the array. Okay, using its index in the array. Okay, I showed you, I've explained you. Okay, so this is all about the index. Okay, so copy this current index from here, and we will use this okay setter function, okay, to update this current index. Okay, what is the issue here? We are doing this only. Okay, so now this, okay, paste it here, and now we have to check here one condition. Okay, so we will only show the left arrow whenever our index is greater than 0. Okay guys, always remember, we will show this left arrow or the left arrow key whenever the okay whenever the current index is greater than 0. Okay, so we will just use here the conditional rendering as well, like this. I will just define here one button. Okay, I'll just give you the class name also. So nav btn, I'll just say here left also, and let me just copy the I can give here guys. Okay, as of now, just give here this. Okay, just give here. Okay, it is gonna show here the issue. So let me just put here it will again show the issue. So let me just copy the icon from the uh, previous example only. So let me just copy this is here. So let me just copy, okay, this icon from here, and just paste it here. Let me just copy this icon also, and just paste it and comment this out. As of now, we don't need this as of now, so close this. This is it. Okay, so whenever the current index is greater than 0, then only we will show this left icon. Okay, this left icon whenever this current index is only greater than 0. Okay, so as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser how it is gonna. So let me just click on this first image only. It is gonna show the issue because we have to guys remove this method. As of now, we have not defined this. It is gonna show the issue. Okay, so now click this first image. You can see here now the left arrow is not defined. Okay, and now click this image. Now we can see here the left arrow as well. Okay, so hit this image now. You can see here the left arrow is not defined. Okay, so likewise only guys. Okay, likewise only we are gonna define the right arrow as well. Okay, I explained you how. Okay, so now if this is the case, okay, we are gonna define this right image also. And how we can define the right image only whenever the index of this, okay, whenever the current index is the less than, okay, the last element of the array. Okay guys, we will show this, okay, right arrow. We will show this right arrow only whenever the index, okay, whenever the current index is less than the last element of the array. Okay, less than the last element of the array. Okay, or we can say the index remains within the array limit. Okay, index remains within the array limit. Okay, this is it. Okay, so this is the only condition. Okay, so now we will say here this, okay, this images, okay, and it is an array, so it will have a property of length as well. Okay, and we will use this length only to check it. Okay, so we will say here images dot length. Okay, and if the if this is the total length of the array. Okay, this is the total length of the array. Okay, and this will be the, we can show only this current this right arrow whenever the current index is the less than the total length of the array. This is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now we will just define here one method also. So let me just cut this out. Okay, so control Z first. Okay, so control Z. Now here is the method. Now on click handle close. Okay, and just paste it out. Okay, so this is the right arrow, right arrow. Okay, and I have explained you the condition as well. Okay, and now we will just on click of this button also, here we will define here one method. Okay, on click. Okay, on click we will define here one method. Next, okay, image. Okay, or we can say the slide as well. So copy this method name from here only, and we have to define the same method on this button also. To go to the left, okay, we will define here the previous image. Okay, we will say here previous image. Okay, so give small p only. So previous image. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now we have to define here this handle close. Okay, prev image, and this next image method as well. So we are gonna do that now. Okay, so come to the main part now. We are gonna define the methods now. Okay, so now we are gonna define the methods. Okay, so just copy this method name. Okay, handle close. So we have to define this now. Okay, and here we are gonna say here const equal to, paste this equal to like this, and to just close this. And now we will just say here here we are going to pass the one event also. Okay, event object like this. And now we will just check here. Okay, we will just check here if, okay, if event dot target, okay, event dot target dot contains, okay, class list dot contains, okay, contains, okay, so guys it will return true or false. Okay, if on the event, okay, on which you will click, okay, contains, okay, this class. Okay, which class, guys? This lightbox class. Okay, this lightbox class. Okay, if it contains the class lightbox, it will return true or false. Okay, so based on that we will run our condition. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so if this is the case, we will say here this, okay, set, okay, selected image, we will just make it again null. Okay, so copy this from here and just paste it here. We will again make it null. Okay, because it is now closed. Okay, so we will again set it to null, and we will again set this current index also to null. Okay, so we will again set it to null. This is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now we have to define here this prev image method now. So come here, and now we will just say here const, paste it here, give equal to, open closing parenthesis, equal to, while like this. I'm gonna use here the factor function like this. Okay, so now we will just say here, we will just check, okay, the condition. Okay, if, okay, if current index, we can see here this is the only condition for the previous image. Okay, if current index is greater than 0, then only we will show this button. Okay, so here also we are gonna check this. Okay, so if current index, okay, so let it be copied from only here only. So if current index, okay, is, okay, is greater than 0, is greater than 0 only, then only we will just run our one if block of code. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now we will just say here set, okay, set current index. Okay, so okay, so copy it from here only. So I will just say here set current index. Okay, and now we will just use here the factor function. Okay, so I'll just say here prev, okay, prev prev index, okay, prev index equal to, I'll use the factor function, and we will just say here we have to now we have to degrade. Okay, we have to degrade every time by 1. Okay, so we will just say here prev image. Okay, not image, I'll say here index. Okay, prev index, okay, minus 1 every time, minus 1. Okay, because we are gonna in the left direction. Okay, we are going in the left direction. Okay, so we have to degrade it by 1 only. Okay, so we have to degrade it by 1 only, and now we have to dynamically we have to select the image from this array. Okay, from this images array. Okay, dynamically. Okay, so now we are gonna say here, I will just say here this. Okay, selected image, this selected image, because we are going to show this. Okay, now we are going to show this lightbox only, we are going to show this lightbox only. Okay, so that's why we have to dynamically now access. Okay, so guys, now we are showing this lightbox only, so that's why. Okay, we have to dynamically access the images from this images array. Okay, from this images array dynamically we have to access it whenever previous button is being clicked by the user. Okay, so we will just say here set image. Okay, and dynamically we have to now access the images from this images array, and I showed you how. Okay, and I showed you how. This is the play of, this is the game of only index. Okay, and we know we will use here the square bracket. Okay, to dynamically access the images from this images array. Okay, from this images array, and now we all know how we are gonna do that. Okay, so we will just copy this current index from here, we will just copy this current index from here, and every time we will just update it. Okay, every time we will just here we are gonna degrade it, so every time we will just go back. Okay, so suppose I'm sorry, suppose user has clicked. Okay, user has clicked this image. Okay, so now this left, okay, this right button will be also enabled. Now this, okay, now this left button will be also enabled. So either we can go in the right direction on, or either we can go in the left direction. Okay, so in the left direction we have to degrade it by 1. So this is the, suppose this is 7, this will be 6, this will be 5, this will be 4, this will be 3, this will be 2, this will be 1, and this will be 0, likewise only. Okay, so we have to degrade it. Okay, every time by 1. Okay, because user might click this photo, 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 then also left button is enabled, user will click this button also, image also, then also the left button is enabled, user will click this image also, then also the left button is enabled, user will click this image also, then also left button is enabled. Whenever user will click the very first image, then we will not show the left image. I showed you also. Okay, so I hope I've explained you very well. Okay, and now we are gonna define the this method. Okay, this next image method. Okay, so copy it from here, and this is it. Let me just write the comment also. I'll just say here navigate, okay, to the uh, previous image. Okay, this is it. So give here const, I'll just say like this. Okay, so guys, I want to explain you every fucking minute details, every small and minute details of this video, of this session. Okay, so let me just write the comment also, and navigate to next image. Okay, and guys, this is the again same condition. Okay, this is the again same condition to show the right button. Okay, this is again the same condition. Okay, so guys, this is the again same condition. Okay, so copy this condition from here only, and just check here only. Okay, inside the if block. So if this is this. Okay, if this is the this. Okay, then only we will show the right key, like arrow button. This is it. Then only we will show the right arrow button. What is the issue? Okay, so now we will just say here set, okay, current, okay, index. We will just say here set current index, and now here we can see here we are going in the left direction, so we have to degrade it by 1. So here we will increase it by 1 only. So copy this from here and just paste it here, and we will just increase it by 1. So paste plus 1. Okay, and now we will just say here close this. We will just say here set selected image. Okay, okay, so I will just say here Okay, so this is the condition for set okay selected image only, because we are gonna show the image only by this set selected image only. Okay, set selected image state updater function, and now we will just say here like this. Okay, prev image, or we can say here prev index. Okay, prev index only we can say here. I am gonna use here the fat arrow function. Okay, like this, and now we will just say here prev index, and we have to every time increase it by 1. Okay, so whatever we have done here, so this is the opposite of it. Okay, so here we will increase by 1, and here we will increase by 1. Okay, this is it. Okay, so as of now let me just test one thing. Okay, so save the file and have a look in the browser. Okay, so we can see here, just click this, we can see here every okay arrow, this is the left arrow and this is the right arrow enabled. Okay, so close this. Now click this very first image. Now we can see here this okay left arrow is not enabled, because this is the very first image and I explained you, but only this now we can see here both the controls, it is working also, it is doing great also. Okay, so we can see here it is doing great also. Okay, now this is like last image of the array, so the right arrow is now disabled, and this is the now we can go in the backward direction, now we can go in the left direction. Okay, so now this is also enabled, so this is this like second last image of the array, and this is the last element of the array. So the right arrow is now disabled, only the left arrow is here, but now we can see here we can go in the both the direction, this is the left direction and this is the right direction. Okay, so we can go in the left direction. Okay, so go left, go left, go left, go left, go left, this is the first image, this is the now enabled, go right, 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 and now this is disabled. Okay, because this is the last element of the array. Okay, so now close this, so we have to animate it now. Okay, so come here, and now we have to use the left and right arrow key as well. Okay, as of now nothing is gonna happen whenever I'm pressing the left key or the right key. Okay, so we have to enable it now, so we have to use here the use effect. Okay, so we are gonna define here first okay the condition. Okay, so we are gonna define here the condition first, so I will just create here one function. Okay, so like this I'll just say here handle key down. Okay, equal to open and closing parenthesis like this, and just close this. I'm very sorry, I will just give you the event also, because clicking okay like pressing any button is the event. Okay, we all know that pressing any button on the keyboard, clicking anywhere on the anything is a event. Okay, so it must have an event object as well, so this is the event object. Okay, we have to pass here. Okay, because this is the event. Okay, so I'll just check here if e dot key. Okay, if e dot key equal to escape key. Okay, so equal to escape key. Okay, so if this is the escape key, we will just close the lightbox. Okay, we will just close the lightbox. Okay, escape key, we will just close the lightbox. Okay, so we will just say here set. Okay, set selected image, we will just say here null. Okay, and now we will just say here set okay current index as well, we will set it to null. Okay, this is it. Okay, so in this way lightbox will be closed. Okay, and now we will just say here else if. Okay, else if, so if e dot key. Okay, if e dot key okay equal to the arrow right. Okay, we will say here arrow right. Okay, so if this is the case, we will just increase by 1. Okay, so we will just call this next method. Okay, or the next image method only. What is the issue? We are calling this method only whenever this right key will be pressed. Okay, okay, so copy it from here and just paste it here. This is it. Okay, again we will just say here else. Okay, else if. Okay, if event if event dot key. if event dot key equal to left arrow, okay, equal to arrow arrow left, okay, arrow left, we will just call this method, okay, preview image. So copy it from here and just paste it here, okay. So bring it little deep. Let me just define here one comment for you only. Just say here handle, okay, handle e esc key, left key, right key. This is it, okay. So now we have to define here our use effect as well, okay. So I am gonna define here our use effect, okay, and we all know why we use the use effect, okay. I am not gonna explain it one more time here in this session as well, okay. So this is the method, this is the syntax of use effect, okay, and this is known as the this empty array is known as the dependency array, okay. This is it, okay. So now we will just say here I'm gonna attach one event to the document body, okay guys. Now here we are gonna attach one event to the document body, okay, to the document body, okay. So we will say here document, okay, dot add event listener. Which event, guys? Of course the key down, okay, key down event, okay. So we will run here one method. Which method? This handle key down, okay, because we have to attach the event to the document body only, okay. And now we are gonna run here the cleanup method only, or the function, okay, and it is gonna prevent our memory leak, okay. So this is known as the cleanup cleanup function to prevent memory leak, okay. This is it, okay, and it will clean the component when it's unmounted. This is it, okay, nothing else. So copy this and we will just remove this event, okay. Which event, guys? This key down event, we will remove it. So how we are gonna do that? We are gonna say here that to remove event listener, okay. Remove event listener, and we have to update, okay, this use effect every time, guys. We have to use this effect, okay, left and right, okay, key event every time our this current index will change, okay. Because we are doing nothing except we are changing this current index every time. Whenever user will click on anywhere on the image, left key, right arrow, left arrow, they will just change the image, okay. So this is the catch, okay, because we are only changing the array index, okay. So it is not like doing the okay. So let me just check what is the issue here. Use effect, okay. So let me just handle key down. Let me just check here. So handle key down, it's an event, okay. If key dot esc, okay. So let me just check what is the if esc is working, okay. So let me just refresh it one more time. This might be the issue also. No, this is not the issue. Let me just check now what is the issue. else else if, okay, key equal to event dot key arrow, okay, arrow right, next image, okay, else else if event dot key equal to arrow left. Okay, previous image and use effect document dot, let me just check here, document dot add event listener, key down handle key down, and return document dot remove event listener. Okay, so let me just check, refresh it one more time. Okay, so let me just check, so guys, let me just check what is the issue. So key down. Okay, so here we have to say here small d. Okay, so this is the typo. We have to say here small d. Okay, instead of capital D, we have to say here small d. Okay, so now key down is the proper event. Okay, so now save the file, have a look in the browser, and now refresh the page one more time manually. Okay, and now click this first image and now hit the right arrow. See, boom guys, now it is working. See, now click left control, click right control. See, now it is working. I hope you will be hearing the key press, okay, sound as well. Okay, I hope you will be able to hear the sound of key press. Okay, okay, so let's just put cursor here and now use the only left key and the right key. Okay, so now we can see here the sound is now okay apparent to you only, because we are gonna I'm pressing here the button only. Okay, left key and the right key. Okay, and it is working fine. Okay, press the ESC key. Boom guys, press one more time, put cursor here, press one more time, it's gone. Put cursor here, press one more time, ESC key, escape key, put cursor here, press ESC key. See, it's gone. Okay, so now we have to make it okay little animated also. So we are gonna make it little animated now. Okay, so let me just do here a couple of okay things also for the okay optimization. Okay, so instead of okay this, let me just create here one const. I'll say here new index. Okay, and I'm gonna just copy each and everything inside this new index only, and instead of this I am gonna just update okay this current index with this new index only. So I will do the same thing here also. I am gonna create here one const. I'll say here const new index. Okay, this is known as the optimization. Okay, so let me just copy this condition from here, copy it from here or cut it from here only, and just paste it here. And instead of this, now I am gonna just copy this new index and I'll just update okay this current index with this new index only. Okay, so let me just put it inside the parenthesis. Okay, it will look good also. Okay, and it is a good practice also, because this is the expression. Okay, so ideally it should be, ideally not, it is not compulsory, but we can put it in inside the like in parenthesis as well. Okay, so now save the file and test it one more time. Okay, so everything is looking cool, but it's not working. So I hope let me just check it. Okay, one more time. No, it's not working. So I hope we have to, or be, okay, I'm forgetting something here. So instead of this, okay, because okay we have to do like this only, no, because we are gonna copy each and everything inside this new index only. So just replace with this also. Now save the file, have a look in the browser, now click it. Okay, let me just refresh this. Okay, not working. Okay, images, new index. Okay, I can revert it anytime, but I tried something new. Okay, I tried to make it more optimized. Okay, but I don't know, like, if I don't know if this will work or not. Okay, so it is not working. Of course it is not working, but ESC is working, guys. Okay, ESC is working, but left and right arrow is not working. So let me just remove this parenthesis. Okay, let me just try it, guys. Okay, because we are developer, we have to try each and everything. Okay, okay, to make our code works. Okay, because this is the not working. Okay, so let me just revert it back. Okay, you must guys give it a try. Okay, you guys must try this. Okay, at home. Okay, guys, don't forget, just give it a try at home. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser. Now refresh one more time, and now it's working. You can see the keyword. Okay, sound also. I'm pressing the left key and right key, put cursor here. Okay, so okay, so guys, now let me just write here some of the CSS also to make it animated. Okay, to make it animated also, and to fix this icons. Okay, left and right arrow as well. Okay, so we are gonna write the animation now. I mean our CSS. Okay, so come to the CSS file only, and we are gonna write our CSS. Okay, so so now we are gonna do that. Okay, so let me just come here and go down. Let me just copy the position class. Okay, so okay, so now let it be. So I am gonna define here the nav button class now. Okay, so copy this nav button class from here and just to paste it here, and now we will just say here position as a absolute only. We will just say here top. Okay, top of 50 percent. Okay, and now we will just say here transform. We will just say here translate. Okay, translate minus 50%. Okay, so this is it, and I'll just say here background. Okay, I'll just say here transparent. Okay, transparent, and I'll just say here uh, border also of none. I'll just say here outline also none, and I'll just say here cursor as a pointer only. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So click this. So let me just so let me just check one thing, guys. Okay, so say here nav. Okay, nav btn and left. Okay, left. So this is the left class. Okay, you can see here the left class and the right class. Okay, so I am going to target it now. I'll just say here left, okay, of 20 px. Okay, and just copy this and just say here right. Okay, right of 20 px. Okay, say here right. Save the file and have a look in the browser. Okay, so it is here. So we can see here the arrow is here. Okay, the arrow is here, but let me just enlarge the font size. Okay, font size I'll give you 50 px. Okay, so we can see here it's here. But let me just I can say here transform translate y. Okay, so now it's looking cool. Now it's here. Okay, so now it's here. Click anywhere on this gray area. We can also dismiss this lightbox by clicking anywhere on this gray area. Okay, anywhere on this gray area. Okay, here also, here also. Okay, and you can see the left arrow is working, the right arrow is also working. So this is, now we have to say here I am going to define here the animation now. Keyframes. Okay, identifier names is the animation name. Okay, so we are gonna define here the animation name also, and this is the animation name. Okay, you can see here fade in. Okay, you can see here lightbox fade in. This is the animation name. So copy it from here and paste it instead of identifier. Okay, and now we will just say here from, okay, from opacity 0. Okay, from opacity 0 to opacity 1. Okay, and if we want we can say here transition. Okay, transition, what to transit guys, what to animate, we have to animate here of course opacity. Okay, opacity. So copy it from here and just paste it here. So this is it, and now we will just say here fade in. Okay, so fade in, we will just say here animation, we will just say here name. Okay, animation name as a fade in, fade in 0.4 seconds, and we will just say here is in out. Okay, so save the file and now give it a try. Okay, so just refresh the page one more time and click this. Okay, so now we can see here animation also. Okay, so close this, we can see animation also. Okay, so just now let me just try something extra here. So handle close. I'll just say here set time out. And give here this much. Okay, say here set time out, and we will just close this, cut this out. We will just paste it here also, and we will just say here 3 okay milliseconds. So remove this extra, and now so click this, click is also working. Okay, left key, this is also working, and this is also working. This close is also working. Clicking anywhere on the gray area is also closing the lightbox. Okay, clicking anywhere on the gray area is also closing the lightbox. We can open the lightbox. We can use this left arrow key to go left. We can use this right arrow key to go right. We can close this from here also. Okay, but whenever you will click anywhere on the image, nothing is gonna happen. Okay, so I hope guys you will definitely give it a shot. You will definitely try it, okay, on your own. Okay, and you will definitely try to create this react animated lightbox effect, okay, for your project, for your application, for your react website. Okay, I hope I'm damn sure you will definitely give it a try. You will definitely give it a shot. Okay, so this is it guys, okay, for this video, for this session. Okay, and in the next video, in the next session, we will definitely try to learn something new. We will definitely try to grasp something or something cool, something, okay, state of the art, okay, in React.js. Okay, and we will definitely learn something extra, okay, in React. Okay guys, if you want to become great and dynamic React.js developer in coming future, then please guys, okay, please, okay, do try to subscribe to my this channel, code with ER. Please guys, it's a humble request. It's a request from a friend to a friend. It's a request from a brother to a brother. Okay guys, consider me as a friend, consider me as a brother, and please guys, okay, I need your help, I need your support, and the only way you can help me and the only way you can support me is by subscribing to my YouTube channel, code with ER, and is by pressing the bell icon also, and by liking all my videos, okay, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos, to create dynamic videos, to create meaningful videos for you guys, okay, on each and every topic of web development, full stack development, and on service now as well. Okay guys, please do subscribe now my the channel, code with ER, and please press the bell icon also, and see you guys in the next video, in the next session. Till then, take care, bye bye guys. See you in the next video, in the next tutorial. Okay, please guys, if you would like to give me the feedback, okay, it can be anything, like it can be negative feedback, it can be positive feedback. Guys, I know feedback can be negative, feedback can be positive as well. Okay, just guys try to give the feedback, okay, in the comment section below. I will definitely read it, and I will definitely try to implement it from my next video, from my next session as well. Okay, please guys, consider me as a friend, consider me as a brother, and I need your help, I need your support, and the only way you can help me, and the only way and you can support me is by subscribing to my channel, code with ER. Okay, please guys, please do subscribe now, and please do use the headphone to listen to the audio, to listen to the video. Okay, to listen to the voice. Okay, I'm very sorry for my slip of tongues. Okay, because like I don't have any, okay, notebook, any notes, okay, in front of me, so that I can read it, and I can speak. Okay, no, whatever I feel, whatever I, okay, feel, okay, from bottom of my from bottom of my heart, okay, from bottom of my, okay, like from depth of my heart, okay, I say it, okay, and I will definitely try to explain it. Okay, so this is it. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now. Okay, and please guys, do read it. Okay, one more time for you. Okay, okay guys, do read it. Okay, because I'm trying to give something, okay, meaningful to the society, to the people of my country, India. Okay, so please guys, do support me and do promote me. Okay, and do make this YouTube channel blockbuster YouTube channel on YouTube. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye guys, bye bye.